Okay, here's my mostly finished yo-yo truck. The goal is for it to drive autonomously to that there light. Everything's all set up. You can see that there's a sim point selected on the map. When I press the go button, it should just take off. And hopefully the steering values are right. My battery sucks. Come on, you can do it, baby. I think that motor's messing with the compass. But I'm trying to steer that way. Come on. I think I have to decrease the static steering values. Come on, you're almost there. I gotta change the and it's out of juice.